Hello. So I haven't done a video for a really long time because my computer has died. Okay, it hasn't really died. The internet hasn't been working downstairs. Anyway, long story. So I'm currently on my little tablet, and I have no idea if there is going to be a software for me to edit this, but hopefully there is. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video and just really open up this parcel that I got because I'm really excited to show you guys what's inside of it. So I probably shouldn't have done that. So I received a package from Ladybird Designs, and that's actually one of our work at home mums. So thank you, Kate. I'm gonna open this baby up. Woo! Okay, so pretty sure this is probably recycled plastic that she's popped them in. But look at all these bad boys. Let me show you what they look like. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So she's just made these gorgeous wet bags for us. Last time we got these in, they went out like fire. Yeah, so they're really easy one pad storage units. So I will pop all these up soon with all the different beautiful fabrics that we now have. If you see anything kind of like there, just give me a yell. And this is her card. I'm doing the very YouTubey thing. Okay, well, I know this is not like a proper video, it's just like a super quick opening, but I would love to get some more videos out this year. Actually, I'm working with Chrissy from C2 Creative